Attention agents and referral partners, if you're working with a VA customer, please listen to the rest of this video. We are seeing some egregious loan estimates with interest rates that are being quoted right now with exorbitant amount of fees. If you're working with a veteran right now and they're talking to a lender, make sure you take the time to educate them on the loan estimate and have them pay attention to Section A of that under origination charges. Although they're claiming that there's no points on these loans, we're seeing them being baked into other costs that are essentially origination charges with a different name. If you'd like us to give a free analysis of it, we'd be more than happy to take a look at it. Please feel free to click on the link below and we'll be more than happy to spend some time with you and your client, explain the differences as to why they should be looking at other options. Hope you're having an amazing day and we look forward to the opportunity of talking with you soon. Take care.